Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use custom lists, and you will want to use and create these custom lists if you have text values that you wish to populate your cells with using autofill. So in this case now, such values can be maybe you have north, east, west, and south, and you want to populate using autofill. If I try it for now, trying north, for example, and I try to autofill, you can see it just gave me only north. That's because I haven't been able to define it to work that way. So to make this possible, you just come to File, and then you click on More and Options. Then you come to your Advanced. Under this Advanced, you scroll down to General. Yeah, to this General, and you click on Edit Custom Lists. So when you click on this Edit Custom Lists, you'll see we already have defined lists here, but we want to create a new list. So here we enter the new list that we want to create. In our own case, North, South, enter, East, enter, and West. Then you add and OK it. Then you also OK it here. When you return here, you just enter your north, okay, and you try the autofilling this time. So you can see it worked perfectly after we defined it. And this is just how you can be able to use custom lists in any of your projects in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.